And in this tutorial, I'll show you how to make these 2-minute pearl earrings. They seriously take about 2 minutes to make. I wanted to give you guys some super simple, straightforward DIYs that you don't need a lot of special tools or supplies for. And since these are entirely just one piece for the entire earring, it's a really classic, straightforward drop earring style, but you don't need to have special pliers to make them. If you have jewelry pliers, that's great, but you can use regular ones as well and they'll turn out just fine. If you want to see more simple tutorials like this one, let me know in the comments below. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell next to it so you get updates when I post new videos. Follow me on social media at Katrinaosity, check out my podcast at MDXpods.com, and if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. It really helps my videos get seen.
For this project, you'll need 2 head pins. I recommend 20 to 22 gauge for this project, your pearls, and I prefer to use fresh water for jewelry, as well as your pliers. Round nose are great if you have them, but if not, regular ones will work really well as well. Or you can use regular old utility ones from your toolbox. Begin by dividing up your pearls into 2 sections, and then start adding them onto your head pins. If you want to make sure the earrings look somewhat symmetrical, divide up your pearls by color and size, so that if you have one dark one on the left, you also have one dark one on the right, and then if you have one that's a slightly unusual shape on the left, you make sure to include one on the right as well, so that you have some semblance of symmetry as much as you can get using freshwater pearls. Add them onto your head pins one by one and try and make them equal the same length of your head pins. Then grabbing the ends of those head pins, bend them over very slightly using your pliers at the same measurement. Then grab that same bend with a wider portion of your pliers and bend it over. You want to grab it with a wide portion of your pliers so that there is room for your earlobe in that turn. You don't want to make this curve too narrow for an earlobe to sit in, so it shouldn't look like a hairpin, but just a gradual bow in that pin. And those are your finished earrings. They are simple as that. They seriously probably don't even take 2 minutes in full to complete, and they are so elegant and simple. I love making these earrings. If you want to see more super simple DIYs like this one, let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, please click that like button. It really helps my videos get seen.